Hi, my name's aDesign and welcome to Take Back Beauty. Today we're going to talk about concealer and using concealer to really brighten and lift your eye. So I hope you enjoy it and you learn some new tips. So today I'm going to talk about concealing and I'm going to focus on the eyes. It's really nice to have a bright eye, and preparing it for eyeshadow is really good to use concealers. So I have 3 brushes I'm going to show you, but I really think that when it comes to any kind of brush head and applying concealer, it's what you're comfortable with. I am a little more daring and have a lot of comfort with makeup brushes. So what I'm going to start with though is something that is more traditional, which is a paddle concealer. And with a paddle concealer, a traditional application is to pat. So this is very normal, very customary. You get a lot of products. So if you have darkness in this area, you can take it up if you like. You can put it wherever you want. It is not as easy to blend. So that's why I have learned to use other shapes that allow you a little bit more ability to blend faster. And I know you don't want to tug the skin because again, it's so gentle and sensitive under here sometimes, and you don't want to aggravate. So to blend it, I use a point and a little bit of flexibility with a little bit of a structure in a brush allows you to get the concealer really in there. I've just finished blending out my concealer, and I can also do the top of my lid to prime for shadow. I can blend into my brow bone. What I also like to do is shape my lids. This is an eyeshadow brush, and if you want to use it for concealer, you can shape your brow with concealer, which will allow for a bit of lift. And it gives a really nice accent to the eye and opens it up. It's a very brightening effect. So it gives the appearance of a lift, and you can tell the difference in my eyes. This one is brighter, the skin tone is even, it doesn't look washed out, but I have just really set it up now that I can do a pretty eyeshadow. So I hope that worked. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and there's more to come.